Hi everyone, today we're going to make a super easy chicken salad recipe that's all done in a food processor. And with this particular recipe for chicken salad, I also like to hide some vegetables in it. So the kids and anyone who doesn't like vegetables doesn't really know that they're eating as many as they are. So come on, let me show you how we're going to do it. For convenience, we pulled apart a rotisserie chicken. And here are the vegetables we're going to use. We have a couple of scallions, some baby carrots, some radishes, and a piece of celery. We're going to use 2 food processors today. I have this little one that I like to use for vegetables, so I've cut them up into little convenient pieces. And we're going to obliterate them. This is how they look. So now we're going to do the same thing with the chicken in my larger food processor. We're just going to grind it all up. And I will turn down the sound so it doesn't hurt your ears. And now we're going to add the chicken to the bowl with the vegetables. And now we add our seasoning. I'm not going to add any salt because I'm using a rotisserie chicken and they're usually pretty salty to begin with. I'm going to add some freshly cracked black pepper. I'm going to add some Italian salad dressing. Just a little bit. And then you can add mayonnaise or veganese. I'm going to add veganese because I don't have any mayonnaise at the moment. This is the only one I really like, the one with the grapeseed oil. So be generous, because when you grind up the chicken like this, it gets a little dry. So let's start with that. Now we're just going to fold it all together. Well, here we have our chicken salad. Now I like to serve this open-faced on rye bread. Look how colorful it is with all those vegetables, but your family won't even notice. They'll just think it's pretty. So here we go, open-faced, and then it also makes a nice sandwich on a bun. Ta-da! Lunch is served. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the chicken salad and I will see you very soon. Bye!